In this Vadootv TV review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Vadootv TV. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll leave a discounted link so you can get your money's worth. Vadootv TV is a hosting software that allows you to grow your business reach with ad-free video hosting on high-speed and secure servers. So you can see the page here and you have all these options available. You can add a project if you wanted to. And, well, we have one here. You pretty much create this block right here. And you can delete that if you wanted to, but we'll keep this and click on it to get into our editing. So you have a folder available right here. You can edit the name if you wanted to. So it's gone from Untitled Project. Let's name it Opulent. And you can see the options available on the left right there as well. Now you can add a folder personally or add a video, but we'll see the folder first just to show the small feature. So you can create videos within a certain folder in that branch, which is quite nice. Now, you can go to add video or audio, but today we'll add a video. You click it, and now you can upload one from your laptop itself, or you can import a video or request one. So right now we're going to import a video. I've chosen from YouTube. You can do all these other options as well, but YouTube is the easiest here. Input the URL and import it. And it actually imports the YouTube file onto the software. So here we have 7 profitable business ideas for 2022. And you can see this nice little player right here. And the video will be available to be played naturally and shared and embedded for all these links here. Now, you can edit the title of this video if you want it to appear a certain way on Vadootv TV. And you can go into the player here. And now you can customize the theme color. So it's purple right now. We can make it whichever we wanted to. Now the play icon as well, we can shift that around naturally. We can make it this one. You see it appear there. Take it back. We can make it this one, which I actually quite like. It's quite colorful and nice. You can add a watermark naturally. So that's an interesting feature. The thumbnail as well, you can use the current thumbnail you have or upload a new one personally if you have a better one that's more eye-catching. And naturally do that with GIF thumbnail too. You can further set up your chapter markers as well and, decide points of which you'd like people to click on and break your video into sections for your marker or your navigation, and chapter links you can provide yourself. You can also edit your captions as well. Naturally, we'll have them in English because that's the language we speak. And you can get a caption search if you wanted to, which is pretty neat. You can also create a password for the video as well, which is really interesting. Here, we'll just type a standard password, tools, which is all right. We could schedule the video as well if we wanted to for a certain date that we wanted it to release through our Vadootv TV. We'll put this 1309. 2023. Maybe you wanted to release there. Unreasonable date, but we're showing we can do it. Start time as well, you can customize really easily too. Now you have all these display controls here, the play button, speed, everything you need essentially that you can turn on or off actually in your video. Maybe the display time you want to keep on. We can go through all of them right here. So many options provided for you that you can utilize to edit your video, which is really, really cool. Now, we can go down further to the landing page. Here you can really customize what your viewers would see. You can once again edit the title if you wanted to, just edit a full stop. We don't really need to edit it at all. And you can create your own description as well. Let's say business ideas for you. You can edit the background as well. I've just chosen this nice pinkish red. The logo too. We have the standard logo. But you can add your own actually, and we'll do that naturally. Again, the logo won't fit the video at all, but it's just showcasing that you can do it and have the power for that kind of creation. Get it the text color and actually utilize a custom URL. You can make your own and create a call to action too if you wanted, which is all really helpful. The layout as well you can organize into any way you want, like this. And the theme as well. The themes, you have so many options. Although they take away the color you set up, but if you don't want to do that color setting up yourself, you can click all these different themes right here to help you out. I think overall I like the pale one. It's nice and open, friendly. You can also add your JavaScript code as well if you have any code that you'd like to utilize to edit the video. We go into marketing, and you have all these call to actions you can actually utilize. So we've got a poll here. We've naturally got the video funnel as well. So what these will do, you can essentially, you tie them to time codes in your videos, and you can create literally what they say. You also have monetization, ad tags as well, and tracking. Now let's go to the poll. You can create a poll and have all these options here with a title naturally, and you can actually set a timer for them, which is nice. Same thing with your call to action as well. If you want to guide the viewers to anything, you set the time codes with the titles and the URLs and the positioning of it essentially, and the text color. Then you can do the video funnels. If you want to direct them to another video, it's the same thing as the call to action as well. Get the title, the text, and you can put the start times for them as well, which is really, really neat. And it will take your viewers to any other video you want them to through this one. Then naturally you can replace this video if you're not happy with it, and you can download it too. So we'll go back and go to video analytics. So you click on your video that you've put. We can see all our watch times and video plays here. So we've got our completion rates, the videos we've completed, and the videos played, which will be nice and, large once we get people watching our video. And then you can go to your engagement heat map and see just the percentage of people that were engaged for a certain kind of video for each day. And that's really nice as well. We could do the same thing with audio as well, although you will have the completion rate only, but it's the same effect if we had an audio file that we uploaded. We can also customize our landing page as well and choose a theme color for the player. So, we have a playlist, we can choose a theme. I like sort of this bluish, dark blue, which is nice. Put our watermark on or off as well if we wanted to, and not likewise a logo for that landing page. Choose a player preset setting or landing page preset setting, and a scene name as well. You can make all our video pages public and all the audio pages public too, or private if we wanted to. And these are pretty standard things that you can expect in even simpler software like just YouTube itself. But it's nice that this has it on its own software. Now your channel as well, if you had a channel, so you can pick a theme color for your channel you want to allude to, a title for your channel, let's say opulent, right there. That's our channel name, channel description, whatever your channel provides. You can get your cover image as well, or you can upload yours as well, and you get the URL and JavaScript code if you need all those things as well. With a sort by date and password too for the channel. Now, same thing goes with the podcast as well. If you had a podcast and audio, you can click on a color for the podcast if you're trying to advertise it, text color for your title of your podcast, and the podcast body text as well, and your title for the actual podcast you can edit to Tools for Trade, if we assume that's what our podcast is called. Same thing, you could put a description if you wanted to, and a cover image as well for what your podcast can look like, and how you can attract viewers to come and listen. You can set up a URL as well, and naturally a Java code too. You can add your team members as well onto this software, which is quite nice. Again, you can add people to look at this and edit this. And we go back to the main page as well. You can see here, we can delete this if we wanted to, like I mentioned, but we'll keep it here. And we can actually record ourselves from our own laptops as well with your laptop camera, or you can record your screen itself. Just read that simple click right there, which is really cool as well if you wanted to put your own videos and you didn't want to upload something. Now you can get video testimonials from other users as well. If you put in an org name, you can get that through. And you can record from a Chrome extension Vadootv also has as well. You can go into your usage as well and look at, the storage utilized for the videos you've made and used. And you have the support page as well, which answers all frequently asked questions and directly to articles as well and categories. It's really, really helpful, and you can find what you're looking for through this page if you need help. So that is my review of Vadootv. I think it's a very nice and fast software to use. It's got a lot of features that really, really help you tailor make the kinds of videos you want to create, and actually help you to customize them in a way that can be attractive to users and potential investors and buyers to buy into whatever product you're trying to sell. It's really nifty, it's really intuitive and easy to use, and I think it's a good software overall. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll provide that discounted link. Thank you for your time.